How to clip a parrot's wings? First, we need to explain something. Once the parrot flies away, unless it is adopted by someone else, otherwise, it has no way out, because it doesn't have foraging ability. Before clipping the wings, we need to cover its eyes. Don't let it see that we are the ones clipping. Otherwise, the little one will hold a grudge. Also, wrap the parrot during the clipping process. This can reduce its anxiety. When clipping, cut from the root. Focus mainly on the primary and secondary feathers. Then clip the other side. Make sure both sides are clipped evenly. Clipping this way prevents it from flying away. At the same time, it retains the original appearance. If you don't know how yet, be sure to save this